कहानी का वो हिस्सा शुरू होता है जहां पर एक छोटी सी अटर्नी बहुत बड़े अन्याय की वजह बन जाती है. सो इन दिस पार्ट 2 वी आर गोइंग टू see an exact difference between a rich and a poor person and why this difference has been created. The writer for the lesson Baat Athanni K Sudarshan. He is one of the famous writer for Hindi literature. He has done many creations, and in this creation he has shown the difference between right and wrong. Some of his famous creation is Baat Athanni Ki and Har Ki Jeet. Before going to part 2, what happened next? First we will understand what all are the characters. Four characters. First one is Rasila, who is a servant of engineer Babu. It is Ramjan, who is watchman for Sheikh Salimuddin. Then the third character is Jagat Babu, who is an engineer. The fourth character is Sheikh Salimuddin, who is a district magistrate. Now we came to know that Rasila master has given him 5 rupees to bring sweet, and over the phone he was talking to someone, and that person was offering 500 rupees as a bribe, but Jagat Babu was not ready to accept it because he was in high societal position. After listening to the conversation, even he decided that he will also take out some money from the money which his master has given. So Rasila got scared. He understood that his master has caught him. So he told him that okay, this is a small mistake done by me. Please forgive me. But his master told no. I will take you to the police station. He dragged him and took him to the police station. उसे घसीट कर police station ले जाया गया. And then here also he offered money to the policeman and said that you take this money of 10 rupees and by any means ask him to accept his crime. के मास्टर जगत बाबू ने उस रसीला को घसीट कर पुलिस थाने ले गया. पुलिस थाने के बाद he just took him to the court. Was the judge? Yes, Sheikh Salimuddin, who is also a corrupt officer. So there he pleaded that I have taken only 50 paise. Please forgive me and let me. Now think a poor person who has just taken 50 paise and he is getting the punishment for 6 months, and an officer who is sitting in high societal position, a government officer who is sitting in a high position, they are they are taking bribe and no one is catching them. They are free to take the bribe. And when his friend Ramjan went and saw his friend behind the jail, वह 6 महीने की सजा काट रहा था. फाइनल थॉट ऑफ दिस स्टोरी, रसीला को सिर्फ इसलिए जल्दी ब्लेम किया गया क्योंकि वह गरीब था. He got punishment as because he was poor and no one was there on behalf of him to create a noise. अमीर लोग रिश्वत की बात कर रहे थे लेकिन उन पर किसी ने सवाल नहीं उठाया. Those people who are sitting at high position, they are talking for the bribe, they are taking bribe, but no one is asking question to them. ये कहानी समाज में अमीर और गरीब के बीच के भेदभाव को दिखाता है. So in this story it clearly shows the difference between the people who are rich and the people who are poor. तो इस स्टोरी से हमने क्या समझा? हमने समझा कि कभी कभी गरीबी ही हमारे समाज की सबसे बड़ी जुर्म होती है. जो लोग गरीब होते हैं उन्हें उनके साथ अन्याय ही होता है. So through this story we understood the clear image that how people judge the people who are sitting at high position. They cannot do any wrong, but the people who are poor, they always do wrong and they always gets punishment. तो आप बताइए, is this a real justice?